Alright, muri Zimbabwe. So ndisati ndataura nyaya yaElizabeth Gwaunza anova the Chief Justice, the first female Chief Justice muZimbabwe, mukuru weConstitutional Court muZimbabwe. First I have to remind you, welcome back. Welcome back pamuzinda wevanhu paMutapa Times pano paYouTube. Vari kutiona paInside Africa Network. Maybe muri kutiona 1 day, 2 days after the actual news. So please come pa the Mutapa Times. Mova madi subscribe pa YouTube so that you never miss any of the important updates that top. And remember, ndini wenyu Super Nexus. Right. One thing I want to say is that remember, kana muri pano pamuzinda wevanhu by the people, by public demand, neni Nexus. One of these days, I want to be the president of this country. And I really want to be the president of this country. And the main purpose of that is that for once and for all, told vatarovera pasi, tanyora pabwe, pasimbi, democracy, my principles, so it can never be changed again. Tungamiriri hweruzhinji kumeka sure kuti mavotes anoitwa freely and fairly, so that the most loved guy or baby girl becomes the president munyika ino at any given moment. And then tobva tadzosama presidential terms back to 5 years. So it will happen. It will happen. It will happen. But don't worry. It boys are going to kuita but triple. And isusu, we are your politicians, and you know it's a dangerous game, but we will stand by the people, sacrifice our own lives. When I know Sonjamisa ended up taking money, I will never do that. That's why Dendri begged up already. That's why Zimbabwe, subscribe right now, like the video, share the video, let Zimbabweans know the future is bright. Na Nexus Wechidaga. Now, Zimbabwe, nobody expected this. Chief Justice Gwaunza Vazvivharisa. So what is happening? We have reported pamuzinda wevanhu a couple times about my meetings arikuitika behind the scenes between the members of the Chiwenga faction and the members of the justice system vanosanganisira the newly elected or the newly selected Chief Justice Elizabeth Gwaunza akasarudzwa na President Mnangagwa kuti replace Luke Malava. Luke Malava wava murimi and useless in the justice system. But you know, this is a beautiful moment for me to talk just a little bit about that. Luke Malava, mfana wangu, tarisa uone. Iko zvino izvo hawakufamu kwako or wherever you are, bro. And you are useless. You are insignificant. We no longer talk about you. You're very lucky with Nexus afungane zvako. But I'm just saying, bro, think about it. You could have changed history, the course of democracy in this country. You had a chance. You had a chance to really bring true democracy in Zimbabwe. All the times yongo kagareyo pachigaro mu Constitutional Court. Nyaya dziri very important dzichipinzigwa mukoti yawairana iwewe kubva 2018 vakomana vachiuya nema-V11s vana Nelson Chamisa vachikutaridza kuti mavotes abirigwa, vachikutaridza kuti there was intimidation, there was all kinds of things. But then you decided you could have changed the history. You could have been the hero because you were in that position. But now wanguwa umurimi wakapiwa tractor nerori naMnangagwa for all that you have done for him. And he won't put tractor in a role. You are useless. He doesn't even care, man. Nonsense. Anabasa name, more useless. Now, Tinewe Elizabeth Gwaunza. Tisatapinama meetings and all these wins, all these good things, right? On Elizabeth Gwaunza right now, behind the scenes. Let me say this. Manzwa mama. This message yanda pakuna Luke Malava. Don't be the same person. Don't make the same mistakes. Because sometimes all it takes is you, as the Chief Justice Munyika, to just tell people the truth, to just judge the case rightly. There is a court case right now. In Tunzwa Pacha Fubaimwe, but the one which is there right now, ndeye 7 macomrades vakamirirwa naLove Maduku, each which is a constitutional court case against Cab 3, against President Mnangagwa, against the cabinet. Just judge rightly and you make history. You make, even if Chiwenga faction yazotadza and then Elizabeth Gwaunza White end up being sacked, being chased from her position, and Mnangagwa replaced there with somebody else. And probably Mnangagwa will not exactly do that. Even if he replaces you, Elizabeth, with somebody else, you will still be shifted to another position. But that history will stand with you. And guess what? Change is going to come. Everybody knows change is going to come. And when that change comes, you will be praised for being that judge who stood by the people. And as a matter of fact, since you are the first female judge, you will set a very good record for females as Chief Justices in Zimbabwe. And do you understand how heavy this situation is? So don't betray yourself. Don't betray the people. Don't betray conscience. Rule, judge, from a balanced level, from the truth. All right. Murez Baba, let me get now into the real thing, because we have to talk to our people. We have to remind them. I mean, all government people, they love them Tapa Times. They love Super Nexus. They know there is nobody who is going to break down politics in Zimbabwe like Nexus. Nobody. I mean, people be like, Nexus, but Nexus akusikuzvikuza yawo boys. Nexus hazvikuzi murema. Ina zvikuzi, but ndeida kuti understand kuti it's the truth, man. Kana tapinda panyaya idzi wangu, todzipinda. Tinoita break down politics exactly as it is. Some people wakadai, some people they are under this influence, this religion, some this, some. Inini, I'm not under any influence. Ndingori sober minded. Ndichibaya ma facts, ndichitaura chokwadi, so that my people, us, we one day, we will achieve that position of full dignity. Full dignity, mwezimbabwe. Ndenchiti nini? Chero en ignorant Zimbabwean. Muzimbabwean dofo une enough respect yanowana from the society. Yekuti his or her vote counts. Let me get into this. So, Zimbabwe, right now, tirikunzwa isusu kuti Chief Justice Elizabeth Gwaunza vakaita a meeting 2 days ago with one of the Chiwenga faction retired generals. And what she said, what she promised that general, and this retired general is one of the 7 comrades and generals who are behind Love Maduku court case. In fact, it's not Love Maduku's court case. A court case yema war veterans and vakamirirwa with one of their lawyers, ndi Love Maduku, because Love Maduku is just one of the best lawyers in Zimbabwe. In fact, wakatobeja mkomana yakati, even if the judges are corrupt, are intimidated, kune mamwe cases no matter what, they cannot rule against. Say yakangofana ne constitutional court case ye Cab 3 ye against the cabinet, and kupusha parakaita Cab 3, yet they are the beneficiaries, etc. It's a done deal. Love Maduku knows it, and he is one of the best lawyers in Zimbabwe. So it's a known thing. So right now we have seen the tactics of the system trying to delay this court case, delay it, reverse it, delay it, and whatever, rather than face the court case, rather than hear it and make decisions, make judgments. They're not doing that. But the time is coming. So Zimbabwe, triple panapamzindawaban neni Super Nexus ndichiti. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of the family. Rugare ngaruwe nemi. Ndichiti musakangama tiri kupindira dzimwe news. So stay tuned.